I've been making this very simple Tandoori Chicken Cutlet Kebabs for over 25 years. These are so simple to prepare and a great crowd pleaser. I have 2 pounds of chicken keema here, and I'm just going to enhance this with a few simple ingredients. This is store-bought ground keema. It consists of dark meat, but you could also use just breast meat if you like. To this, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of finely minced onion, 2 tablespoons of minced green chili. I'm using the bigger, non-spicy green chilies. You can use a bit less or more as you prefer. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of crushed peppercorns, and 40 grams of tandoori masala. I'm using store-bought tandoori masala today, but you can also use a homemade blend. I have a great recipe on my channel. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves. Add salt to taste. And a few drops of lime juice. To finish this off, I'm going to add a half cup of chopped coriander, and to hold it all together, I'm going to add a whole egg. Now this is totally optional, but I like to add a little bit of red food coloring just to give the kebabs a rich red color. And finally, to hold in all the moisture, I'm going to add in half a cup of breadcrumbs. Mix this well together. Since the kebab meat is very soft, I prefer to use gloves and it's easier to handle. As with any mixture, I like to fry just a little bit just to taste for seasonings. Once the meat is all mixed well, take a golf-sized ball of the mixture and form it into patties. This batch will yield about 22 to 24 patties. Once ready, it's time to simply shallow fry the cutlet kebabs on both sides. Once they are cooked all the way through, remove and drain the excess oil on some kitchen towel. Sometimes when I like to make a larger batch for parties, I like to just sear the kebabs from the outside and then finish cooking them in the oven. Enjoy!